everybody, hope you're having an amazing day, and today I'm going to be talking about hair, about these big kind of voluminous curls. I love them. How pretty do they look? So they're very easy to do. So I'm going to show you how you can do this pretty curls using a straightener, a simple straightener. Yes, that works better than any curling wand in my opinion. So I have long hair, I love curls, but the point is it is very difficult for me to somehow work the curling iron in my hair. Not saying that I don't ever use it, but I very rarely do it, and generally I use a pair of straighteners and that works fabulously. Today I am going to show you how you can do this, and I've actually got a new straightener and it sounded so interesting, I thought I have to tell you about it. So this is the new straightener that I'll be talking about. It is the Philips Selfie straightener. So yes, the word selfie is something that totally got me. If my camera decides to focus, yeah. So this is the Selfie straightener, and I think that means that you can actually work with your own hair with the help of the straightener. I feel the name is completely true. The price of the straightener is 999 rupees, which is pretty affordable. Anybody can get it if you're in college or if you're in school and you really like to get some hair tools. This is a great option because it's very affordable and very useful as well. This is how the straightener looks like. It is pretty small, as you can see, and it has this purple kind of a coating. I think it has a Teflon or some coating. Yeah, so it says it's a styling temperature of 110 degrees Celsius. It is ceramic coating and heats up in time. Teflon? I think Teflon is for tawas, right? My god, my brain now. I saw it for the first time. I was like, this is pretty small, because I have another straightener from Philips which is pretty long and a little wider as well. So I was like, I don't know whether it's going to work or not, but the straightener works pretty well. It heats up in about a minute, and once it's hot you can start like styling your hair. You can go ahead and do like a simple sleek straight hair, or else you can do what I did to my hair today. Okay, well, a few things that I liked about the straightener was, one, if you can see, there are these grips for you to hold the straightener when it's in your hair, and these actually are very helpful when you're curling. Another thing that I really liked is that because it's very small, you can actually take small strands of your hair and curl it, and it doesn't get stuck into your hair like a thick, like a broader straightener would. And also it has this revolving kind of a cord, which I really appreciate, because you know how it is when you're using your hair tools. It did not burn my hair at all, and I have used it quite a few times, and I think that should be all. Now let's get into the tutorial, and I'll show you how you can achieve this sexy kind of curls using just a pair of straighteners. Start with freshly washed hair and take a very small strand of it. The smaller strands you take, the better it is. So take a small strand like I did, and then go ahead and iron your strand a bit. I forgot to include that clip, but iron the complete strand. Then put your straightener in your hair, curl it one time and pull the hair from down upwards, and then start pulling the straightener downwards. Now once you feel that the straightener is a little stuck, remove that curl like I did, and then start curling again. Curl, pull the hair from the bottom up and keep curling. That is all you have to do. The time you feel that you can't pull down anymore, just remove that curl from the straightener. Keep going and you will have a beautiful crisp curl. It looks so polished if you do it this way. So here is my curl. See, it is so bouncy. I'm going to show you one more time. So take a small strand, take your straighteners and put your strand in between both the blades. Now curl it one time. Oh, sorry. First soak the hair in heat, then curl it one time like I did. Pull the strand from down, up, above the straightener. Pull the straightener downwards. If you feel that you can't pull it downwards anymore, remove that hair from the straightener, like yes, that way, and then keep pulling the hair downwards, keep curling and removing hair. That is all you have to do. And once you're done with a few strands, and if you have like really soft and silky hair like mine, then go ahead and use the product so that the curl holds for like 2 days at least. Yeah, so I'm done with my second strand here, and here is how the curls look like. Then I'm going to come in with my product. It is a Schwarzkopf, I think, hair pomade. My brother uses it, so I just stole it from him. Take a little bit, scrunch your hair upwards, and then release them. The hair gets a little kind of like crunchy, but
I mean, who cares? I just want my curls to stay. So that is how the curls look like.
Saw how easy it is to get this simple, sexy kind of curls. It literally takes me 10 minutes, although I have really long hair and I think I have a lot of hair as well. So a few tips is that whenever you're using this technique of curling hair, take very small sections and make sure that your straightener is a little thinner and a little smaller. I have done these curls with my other Philips straightener as well, which works fabulously, but it's a little difficult to, you know, move the straightener in this round motion when it's a little broader, because your hair might get stuck into it. So this movement of cord right here and this small panel makes it pretty easy. Even though we're taking small sections, still you won't take more than 10 minutes because you know it's pretty quick. It heats up pretty well, as I said already, and because it heats evenly, I have seen that my curls don't drop. Like this I did at 9 a.m. in the morning. The clip you just saw was from 9 a.m. in the morning and it is around 7ish right now. So you can see that the product that I use has also helped a lot, and also the curls are looking pretty polished and clean. So I would say that do save on time. Use this technique of getting yourself some sexy curls with a selfie straightener. Definitely a great buy. 1,000 rupees, I mean, can't get better, right? And the name is perfect. The name is absolutely perfect. The thing I wish this had, which my other Philips straightener has, is this clip that you can lock this, because it stays like that. So yeah, that is the only thing I wish this one had. Otherwise it's perfect. If you're looking out to buy a new straightener, definitely check out the selfie straightener. After all, it's all about selfies these days, right? Yeah, so yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Please thumbs up the video and please do subscribe so that you can see notifications of when I'm uploading my new videos. And that should be all for today's video. And yes, please leave some more interesting suggestions on what videos I should do, because I did this how to apply liquid lipstick and you guys really liked it and it was your suggestion. So if you have any other interesting suggestions, do let me know. Also, if you want me to do more DIYs, like I made that scrub which I use for preparing my lips before liquid lipsticks, do let me know. I love DIYs and I use a lot of DIYs every single day in my skincare, in my hair care and stuff like that. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. A little information about the straightener in the description box. You can check it out. I included a link to the blog post where I explained a little more on how to do these curls, a little do's and don'ts, and a product review of the straightener. So if you're interested, do check it out.